So on a diesel vehicle, EGTs are the enemy of a diesel.
Absolutely. Yes.
So you want to try and keep it running as cool as possible.
Yep.
And putting exhaust on makes a massive difference. Common analogy I use is with your factory exhaust on, it's like running along while you're breathing through a drinking straw.
Yep.
You know, you get a nice pipe and you can actually breathe and you can run a lot faster. I actually had a NA GQ Patrol.
My boy.
Moved it on a couple of years back, but anyway. So I put a 2.5 inch system on that.
Yep.
It was non-turbo.
Yep.
Upgraded to a turbo and just plumbed it into the existing 2.5 inch system.
Mm-hmm.
About 6 months down the track, I tuned it all up. It was running pretty good. I actually upgraded the rest of the system to 3 inch. And out on the open road, I noticed an immediate drop by about between 50 and 70 degrees, even just when cruising. So upgrading to that bigger pipe size made a huge difference in the temperature of those exhaust gases.
70 degrees difference. That's a huge change from doing nothing more than increasing the size of your exhaust.
Yeah, 100%. And the other place you'll notice a massive difference is when you're on the beach and when you're towing up a steep incline, when you're really maxing it out, your peak temperatures will drop by about that much. It's not just when you're cruising. And the other thing is, say if you've tuned it, we say a safe maximum post-turbo is about 550 degrees.
550, yep.
Yeah. If you've tuned your vehicle with the factory exhaust, which we don't really recommend, because, the old drinking straw thing.
Yeah.
So say in my case where I had the old 2.5 inch system, I tuned it to about that 550 degrees.
Yep.
Upgraded to the 3 inch, dropped it by that 50 to 70 degrees.
Yep.
I can actually put more fuel in, boost the performance, bring those temperatures back up to that safe maximum. And that's another way where you'll see big gains when you put an exhaust on, is by tuning it accordingly. So it drops those exhaust gases, you put a bit more fuel in to, you bring them back up, but it's still safe, and you see a massive performance difference.
I don't think too many people actually think about that. The fact that just an exhaust, then another tune on top of that, will really give you all the performance needs that you want.